Good morning, grade 8. We are doing set 8.2. First 3 questions were related to construction, which we have already done. Now let's go to the fourth question. Now see, the question is, I'm just reading it for you from your textbook. If diagonal of a rectangle is 26 centimeter and one side is 24 centimeter, find the other side. So it has already been given that quadrilateral given is rectangle. So can you see over here? This I have drawn rectangle. One side they have given us 24. So I have taken length as 24. Diagonal they have given 26 centimeter. And you have to find the other side. So I have named it as x. You write down this what is given. So this is given. Okay. Now just see how to find the other side. Quadrilateral ABC is rectangle is already given. Alright. Therefore, what is property of rectangle? All the angles of rectangle are of 90 degree. So angle A, B, C, D all are equal and which are equal to 90 degrees. Reason what I have written? These are the reasons for your statement. Angles of rectangle are right. Right means 90 degree. Now look at triangle ADC. Can you see this triangle AD and C? Triangle ADC is right angle triangle because one angle which is D is 90 degree. So triangle ADC, if it is right, we can apply Pythagoras theorem which you have learned in your 7th standard. What is Pythagoras theorem? In right angle triangle, hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse means what? Side opposite to 90 degree. Hypotenuse square is always equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. And what are side 1 and side 2? These are the sides which are making right angle. Are you understanding me? So in this triangle, if I write in terms of sides, hypotenuse, side opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. So what I will get? AC square is equal to, and which are the sides making right angle? AD and DC. So I have AD square plus I have DC square. Is this clear? So hypotenuse square is equal to the other two sides of the triangles sum of their squares other than hypotenuse. That means they are nothing but sides which are making 90 degree. Now substitute the values. What is AC given as? AC, that is diagonal. Can you see this is diagonal? So AC is 26. So I am writing here 26 square is equal to, what is AD? AD is x square plus 24 square. Is this clear? Okay. So I have 26 square minus 24 square will be equal to x square. Now you have two options. Either find 26 square, write its value. Then from that subtract 24 square, find out what is the answer and take the square root. Or you know formula a square minus b square is what? A plus b into a minus b. So you can add 26 plus 24 into 26 minus 24. That will be easy in this case because 26 plus 24 if you do, it is going to come 50. And into 2 means it is going to come 100. Or if you are confused with this, you take 26 square directly. So you can work out in your rough column 26 into 26 or 26 square is 676 and 24 square is 24 into 24, that is 576. So subtraction of this two will be x square. So I am taking x square over here just for my reference is equal to, now 676 minus 576 will be 100. Is this clear? But I don't want x square, I want x. So from x square we want to go to x. So we have to take square root. So what you will write? Taking square root from both the sides. So what is square root of x square? I am taking x square root which is equal to square root of 100. Therefore x will be equal to 10 centimeters. Is this clear? Square root of 100 is 10. So what you can, what was the question? Find the other find the other side. So you can write here in statement form, other side of rectangle is equal to 10 centimeters. Is this clear? I hope it is clear. Pause the video and take down all the steps. Now we'll go to the next problem. Now look at the fifth question. Lengths of diagonals of rhombus ABCD are 16 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Find the side and perimeter of rhombus. Now see, first of all, quadrilateral ABCD's rhombus is given. What is one diagonal? One diagonal is 12. So if we consider AC is 12, other will be DB, which is equal to 16 centimeter. Now we know property of rhombus. First of all, diagonals of rhombus, they are perpendicular bisectors of each other. What do you mean by bisectors? Each diagonal is cutting the other diagonal and making two equal parts. So AO will be equal to OC and DO will be equal to OB. But complete AC is 12. Therefore this AO will be 6 and OC will be 6. That will be half of AC. That's what I have written over here. So first is, diagonals of rhombus are perpendicular bisectors. So two diagonals are going to cut each other and make equal parts of it. That means this diagonal will be divided into two equal parts and this diagonal will be divided into two equal parts. So if this complete length is 16, each part will be 8 and 8. This will be 6 and 6. So AC becomes 12 and DB becomes 16. That is what I have written over here. Okay. And one more property. This is bisectors but perpendicular bisector. That means AOB angle, AOD angle, DOC angle and BOC angle. All these four angles are going to be of 90 degree. So I have written AOB is equal to 90 degree. Now once this becomes 90 degree, we can apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle AOB. So applying Pythagoras theorem in triangle AOB, now side opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. So we have AB square is equal to AO square plus OB square. So we have AB square is AO square plus OB square. So what is AB square? AO is already known now, it is half of 12, so it is 6. And OB is half of 16, so it is 8. So you have 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64. So AB square becomes 36 plus 64, which is equal to 100. So AB square is equal to 100, but we don't want AB square, we want AB. So from square to side, if you want to go, we are taking square root from both the sides. So square root of AB square will be AB and square root of 100 is 10. But what is AB? AB is side of a rhombus and therefore side of rhombus we got 10 centimeters. Now one more property of rhombus, we know that all sides of rhombus are equal. So if I get this as 10, this also will be 10, this also will be 10 and this also will be 10. And we have to find the perimeter. What do you mean by perimeter? It is sum of all the sides of closed figure. So add up all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 10, 10, 10, add. You get 40. So in case of perimeter, we also can write 4 into side. Because each side is equal. So 4 times we are adding the side, no? And therefore perimeter of rhombus is 4 into 10. Because one side is 10. And therefore it becomes 40 centimeters. I hope it is clear. Pause the video and take it down. Now look at 6th question. ABCD is quadrilateral, is square, that is what they have given. Side of a square is 8 centimeter and you have to find diagonal. Now see students, you may write the steps, I am just explaining you. Now all angles of square are 90 degrees we have seen and all sides of square are also. All angles and all sides of quadrilateral, if they are equal, it is square. That is what we have learned. Therefore, one more property we have learned, that all angles of square automatically becomes 90 degree. So if you consider triangle ADC, angle D is 90 degree and these two are 8 and 8 centimeter. So applying Pythagoras theorem in ADC, what we get? Opposite to 90 is hypotenuse AC. So we have AC square is AD square plus DC square. So AC square is 8 square plus 8 square. So AC square is 64 plus 64. So AC square is 128. So taking square root from both sides, AC, which is side of a square, is square root of 128. You can stop here. Alright, this is the answer I think which is given in your textbook. But little ahead if you go, we can split 128 as 64 into 2. Okay, so this can be written as root 64 into root 2. What is square root of 64? 8. So you can write answer as 8 root 2 centimeter. This is correct. This is also correct. Alright. So very easy problem. But take down all the steps and write the properties of the square. Okay. All sides of square are equal. And please mention that. And all sides and angles are equal. Alright. Now look at 7th question. One angle of rhombus is given and we have to find remaining 3 angles. We know that opposite angles of rhombus are equal. So if this angle D is 50, B is also 50. If this is A, if angle A is X, angle C also will be X. So that's what I have written over here. Now we know one more property of quadrilateral. Sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So X plus 50 plus 50 will be equal to 360. So we get 2x plus 100 is 360. So 2x will be equal to 360 minus 100, which is 260. And therefore x comes out to be 260 by 2, which is equal to 130. So remaining angles are, this is 130, this is 130, and this will be 50. This property is important. Opposite angles of rhombus are congruent. Take down all the steps, pause the video and take down all the steps. Okay, so that's all from my side today. Thank you.